What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave, and this video is an unboxing of my brand new Yamaha 5100 AV processor to go in the theater room. So, you know what? I had the Onkyo 5100. I thought it was a great processor. It did a good job. It did what it needed to do. It went to work. It went to work very well. Did the job. Went home. Enough said. Ready for the next day. You know, it was good. It was good. But I gotta tell you, to be honest with you, before I got the Onkyo processor in my house, if you want to see that video, please, by all means, look back at my previous videos. I do an unboxing of it and an impressions video of it, and it was awesome. Before I got the Onkyo, I had the ability to get the Yamaha, the one I have, that I'm going to hook up. But unfortunately, it was a little bit out of my reach at the time I wanted to get it. And lo and behold, I had the ability to exchange my Onkyo for the Yamaha 5100. And I couldn't be more happy. Really, guys, there's a couple days I had to decide if I want to keep the Onkyo or go with the Yamaha. Back and forth, websites, reviews, videos, reading and specs. Which one has this and that, inputs and outputs, features in there, and remotes and calibrations and all these things. And you know what? The Yamaha, just Yamaha as a whole, the company has been around for over 100 years. It's incredible what they've done with all the musical instruments, all the sound processing they've developed over the years in their receivers, all the different sound modes and things, and what they can do to the sound and make it just more alive and more in tune to the original recording. Looking at the specs in this Yamaha 5100, the DACs they use on all channels, these Saber chips on it, just the performance of sound you can get from these chips and the hardware inside this processor is just staggering. The calculations they can do just kind of set this one above the Onkyo as far as processing goes. The inputs and outputs, very similar. I like the fact that the Yamaha has really good video processing, has excellent sound fields. It's over 60 different modes where you can change the sound if you want to get more out of it. I just think that the variety of things you can do with the signal you're sending it is pretty amazing. The calibration, the YPAO, the Yamaha Parametric equalizer, something or other. It's just some really cool thing. Up to 8 positions. Not the saying that you got to do all 8, but to have 8 positions of calibration versus the single one position that the Onkyo with their Adapt IQ did. Or what is Adapt IQ? It's some kind of calibration. I forget the name of it, but it was only one position. You know, that's a sweet spot for the entire theater. You know, there's more seats in the Rafcave, and there's more people around than just one spot. So having multiple calibration positions for the microphone means that everyone that sits down and experiences the Rafcave or your theater at home will have a great experience and a great sounding position. So that's something I really considered. Another thing about the calibration I liked was the elevation, the angles. You're able to actually set the measurements of your height channels in relation to the microphone, and that's something that the Onkyo didn't do. So I'm looking forward to calibrating this Yamaha processor. And I'm probably going to go with 6, but I might even go 8. We'll see. I'm still debating how many positions I want. But to be able to have that much fine detail of your system and calculated in Yamaha is very important. I'm looking forward to doing that. What else? The look, right? The look of the Yamaha with the dual knobs and the aluminum front and that glossy black finish on the top and front, and on the sides they got that nice engraved aluminum panel on the sides. So it looks really stylish, very high grade, and that sets it apart for me too. I like the fact that the insides of the Yamaha has a large transformer, large power transformer. Back in the old days, what I remembered, being top notch in these receivers, you got a really beefy power supply towards the center of the Yamaha versus the side that the Onkyo had. So I like the design of the Yamaha. I like the H-shape frame inside the Yamaha for more durability, better construction, less vibration of the receiver. I like the fact that they have a fifth foot underneath in the bottom to brace the amplifier in the middle, which also dampens any kind of other vibrations that could occur inside the receiver or the processor. So that was really cool. I mean, only Yamaha has that fifth foot. I mean, that's pretty cool. So I kind of like that feature. What else is there? The remote control is going to be better on the Yamaha. Way more buttons. It illuminates in the dark. It's got an LED screen on it. That's amazing. I love good remotes like that. I love the fact that the on-screen interface of the Yamaha. I apologize, guys. I'm ranting. I'm just talking about. I love this. I had to justify the features of Yamaha and Onkyo, so I'm just kind of rattling off things that I love about the Yamaha. I'll get to the unboxing soon. But yeah. So I love the on-screen interface. This is kind of almost an impressions video before I even had it hooked up, which is kind of weird. But bear with me, please. The on-screen graphical interface looks 100 times better than the Onkyo's. We're talking color graphics, individual speaker placements in your room. It gives you really, really good graphics and a nice interface on the screen. Even when you do the info, color screen pops up. You get amazing detail information. It's just all around fantastic. The app itself, the app that you download on your phone or tablet, full color, just nice graphical instruments and of different sound fields. It's just so informative and so cool looking. You can actually customize it and take away things you're not going to use, so it's just laid out the way you want it to look. That's amazing. I love the fact the Miracast is really cool. Not Miracast, Musiccast. So if you want to cast your music to other parts of the house, that's really nice. It handles all the different audio sound. We mean like music apps. You know, Spotify, Pandora, Tidal, all this stuff. The major ones that you want to use is built in, which is really great because I'm going to take advantage of that, especially Tidal. I do have a subscription to Tidal. I want the highest quality music streaming I can get, and Tidal is going to deliver. So check it out. There's a military discount and a student discount for you guys if you want to look into that. I get the military discount, which is awesome. It's like $8 off, which is amazing. So I really appreciate that Tidal for military discount. That's amazing. So yeah, definitely go with that. And also, of course, the video. I mean, it's going to handle 4K, 444 chroma space, full HDR, full Dolby Vision. It has 2 zone outputs, so I'm able to send information from there to my screens here if I want. So video pass-through is great. Man, what else, man? There's just so much stuff in this receiver, that processor, that I'm so excited to hook up. Right now, there's nothing there, so I got all these wires I got to be able to plug into it, so that's going to be a chore, but it's going to be well worth it when I get that beast installed. So, all right, guys, sorry about that. I'm just so excited to get this thing hooked up, and I just want to talk to you guys about why I chose the Yamaha over the Onkyo. So let's get this big box on. Let's get this bad boy beast out of its box and installed in the Rafcave home theater, and it's going to just sound amazing with my Carver amp and my Outlaw amp. It's going to sound just great. All right, without further ado, let's unbox. Let's go. Black pin. All right, guys, here we go. Another amazing product unboxing to put in the Rafcave. Let's go. Brand spanking new Yamaha CX-A5100 Untitled preamplifier. Oh, look at that! Fantastic. This will be your FM antenna. This will be your power cord. By the way, if you guys want to look at my previous videos, I mean, are you kidding me? This power cord? No, 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 no. Check out my video on the unboxing of the AudioQuest power cable, and you look at the difference. Nah. I'm putting in true power cord into this beast. Definitely worth looking into. Get a better power cord for your receiver or preamp. No brainer. AM antenna. You guys listen to AM radio? This would be your, look at this. Is this a flasher? Look at that. You get 2 flashers for sending the remote signal to other devices. I believe that's what this is. How about that? That's pretty neat. No, give me a break. This has got to be the calibration mic, isn't it? No, 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 no. That's the microphone. This is the hockey puck microphone. Calibration. I'm right there. What we got here? Welcome to Music Cast, right? The casting feature that you can send music from your receiver to various speakers in the house. We have the booklet, warranty booklet, user's manual, Spotify stuff, a CD drive with the owner's manual in here. Very cool. This is going to be the calibration platform where you put the mic in different various spots. That's really cool. Look at this remote. Man, that's some serious quality right here. Wow. And it opens up. All this is illuminated too. That's amazing. Love that. This remote right here. Boom. And you get some AAA batteries. 4 AAA batteries for the remote. Got the various cardboards here. Oof. All right, where's the front? All right, there's the front. No better feeling than taking out high-end equipment about to install in your theater. It's an amazing feeling. I don't know if I'll do this again for a while. I just want to take this moment to be like, you know what? This is pretty sweet. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, man, here we go. Oh, now that. It's got some weight. Oh, I love it. All right, guys, here we go. We got tape on top. Fold that down. Always remember to hang on to everything. So you never know if you want to sell it to somebody or whatnot. Make sure you keep everything. Oh, man. Whew. That is freaking beautiful. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I love these screws on top here. Air vents back here. Look at this, man. This is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Say hi. Look at that. That is just style with that glossy top. 2 knobs there. The fold down front. Man. I almost want to take that sticker off. Beautiful. On top here, Cinema DSP HD3. MusicCast, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDMI, DTSX, Dolby Atmos. Look at the sides. See what I mean with that style right there? Awesome. Let's take a peek at the back. All gold RCA connections. That is serious. Look at the bottom. There's that 5th foot right there in the middle. So we're going to have all our XLR inputs in the bottom here. That's if you have one of the amplifiers that have XLR inputs. Otherwise, I'll be using all the pre-out RCAs here. You have your regular RCA inputs, optical, digital coax, various RCA audio inputs. You have some video composite there, composite video out, component video input. Going to have trigger outs, 2 triggers. Remote in, remote out, RS232C for computer stuff. You have your wireless antenna, Ethernet, power adapter, HDMI on top here. All 2.2, HDCP 2.2, of course, all of them. Even the outputs, you got 1, 2 outputs here, 5, 7 HDMI inputs loaded. Wow, that's amazing. Of course, your AM FM antenna, of course, too. Man, I wish I can see the power transformer in the middle. Guess I don't want you to see it. That's fine. I know it's in there. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. There's the unboxing of the Yamaha 5100 processor. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful. I know it's going to sound incredible as well. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I'm going to hook this up. Enjoy it. Calibrate it. All that good stuff. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video of the calibration. Otherwise, appreciate it. Like, subscribe, share. Subscribe if you're new. It's a home theater. It's amazing stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Possibly Avengers 4 trailer tomorrow morning, right? Can't wait. All right, guys. Skål!